Top 5 Dating Apps. In the era of technology, it only makes sense that dating has gone digital. With thousands of dating apps available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. However, not all dating apps are created equal. Each one has its unique features and user base. Here are the top 5 dating apps and their difference from one another. 1. Tinder. Tinder is the most popular dating app worldwide, with over 50 million users. Its simple swiping feature allows users to swipe right if they like someone and left if they don't. If two users swipe right on each other, they match and can start chatting. The app is known for its casual hookup culture and is most popular among millennials. 2. Bumble. Bumble is unique as it requires women to message first after a match is made. It works similarly to Tinder, with the added feature of searching for friends and business connections. The app has over 40 million users and is especially popular among women because of its female-first nature. 3. Hinge. Hinge is designed to create deeper connections between users. Instead of swiping, the app shows a user's profile and prompts users to like or comment on specific parts of it. The app has a more mature user base, with a focus on creating relationships rather than hookups. 4. OkCupid. OkCupid's algorithm matches users based on their answers to a series of questions. It is known for being inclusive and welcoming to the LGBTQ+ community. The app has over 10 million users and is popular among those looking for serious relationships. 5. Coffee Meets Bagel. Coffee Meets Bagel sets itself apart by limiting the number of matches a user receives each day. The app considers the user's preferences and uses an algorithm to suggest their best match every day. The app has a more mature user base and is popular with those looking for meaningful relationships. In conclusion, each dating app has its unique features and target audience. It's essential to choose the dating app that aligns with your dating goals and needs. Whether you're seeking a casual hookup or a serious relationship, one of these top 5 dating apps could be the perfect fit for you. Aside from these dating apps, some may have found alternative ways. So don't lose hope in looking for your perfect match. And as always, be yourself. Be you. Create your style. Define your personality.